Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy S25 and you can see I plug in on charge but it's not charging. It's coming yellow sign. Yellow sign is coming. Sometimes it's coming from water damage. Sometimes it's coming from charging port. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Let me turn on the phone. See when after turn on it's gonna be charged. You can see it's not charging and it's make noise. It say here is moisture damage and you can open and see there is any moisture damage or not. So first we're gonna remove this back cover. We need to apply heat on there all side. Then we're gonna remove this back cover. Apply heat already. Now we're gonna remove slowly and use alcohol all side. And then with the plastic tools we're gonna lift it up slowly. Keep using the alcohol. This is a 99% or 70% alcohol you can find on CBS or all green. You can buy from there. And we already remove this back cover. Now we're gonna remove this charging port. First we apply some heat because we use alcohol, so we need to dry. And now we're gonna remove this charging port side. This is the black panel with the speaker. First remove all the screw, then we're gonna remove it. And there is also some screw. You have to remove this wireless charging pad, and we don't see any water damage there, but still you're gonna take a look after remove this wireless charging pad. Then we're gonna check on bottom side there is any water damage or not. So we remove now this wireless charging pad. Now we're gonna remove this speaker panel, and we don't see any water damage. We're gonna remove this battery connection, and there is 3 screw. You have to remove it, 2 screw. And then we're gonna disconnect this charging for plus and antenna plugs. Then we're gonna remove this SIM card tray. Without remove, we cannot remove this charging port. So first we have to remove this SIM card tray, then we can remove easily. This is the charging port. And now we're gonna try with the new charging port. See, make sure it's charging. We already clean before open. We clean charging port inside with this alcohol, but it's not charging. So we can install the new one. There is 2 kind of charging port. One is international model, one is US model. So before you guys change, make sure what are the right one. We connect the charging port connection and antenna connection, and put back this loudspeaker panel and connect the battery. There is wireless pad. Sometime if you didn't connect, it's not charging properly, so we're gonna connect the wireless pad. And now you're gonna try, make sure it's charging. Plug in on charge. It's coming the logo. Yes, it's charging. You see now it's not moisture detected. It's not show up the yellow sign. If the yellow sign is coming, that means it's not charging. So It looks good. It's charging percentage. This 33%. So now we're gonna put it back all screw. All screw are same. All are steady screw. Top side we did all screw. So that is charging port issue. Sometime if you can clean it also is work, but we don't see any water in top of that charging port, so we need to change. That's why we need to change the whole charging port. And sometimes it's coming from water damage. Also sometimes it's coming from if it's damaged the charging port inside the logic board with the logic board one, and you need to change the whole thing. And it's easy to replace it. So I already put back all screw, and now you're gonna insert the SIM card tray, and then we're gonna install this back cover. And you can see the previous glue is there. It's very good previous glue, so we just have to melt it. The original water resistant tape there, so we don't want to remove that. We just apply heat on top of that, and glue is melted, and we just have to press it down on there. You can see it's very nicely attached on the frame, and it's very sticky, and there is no gap between frame and back glass. We need to apply some heat on top of that also and press it again, and should be good now. This now I'm gonna check again. Let me turn on the phone, make sure before it's making noise when we plug on the charge. This, let's see, we're gonna check again, see if there is any noise. No noise, and you can see it's 32% charge, and it's super fast charger. It's take only 1 hour 2 minutes to full charge, so that's means fast charging also working. You see it's super fast charging and it's properly charged. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.